Hi, everyone. I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, we will delve into different strategies in forex trading, including trend, reversal, and oscillation strategies, to help you better understand how to gain a competitive advantage through these strategies. Trend strategy. The trend strategy is one of the most common strategies in forex trading. It is based on a simple belief: market trends tend to continue. This means that if the market is currently in an uptrend, the trend strategy will recommend buying, while if the market is in a downtrend, it will recommend selling. INNOSS Tech Labs EA utilizes advanced trend identification algorithms to accurately capture market trends, helping you make wise decisions. Reversal strategy. The reversal strategy, in contrast to the trend strategy, is based on the belief that the market will reverse. When the market shows overbought or oversold signals, the reversal strategy recommends trading in the opposite direction to profit from the anticipated reversal. INNOSS Tech Labs EA uses intelligent reversal indicators to help you identify potential market reversal opportunities, allowing you to make the right decisions when significant market changes occur. Oscillation strategy. The oscillation strategy is suitable for markets that lack a clear trend and instead exhibit fluctuations within a certain range. This strategy often recommends trading near support and resistance levels in the market. INNOSS Tech Labs EA employs sophisticated oscillation analysis to assist you in capturing opportunities in oscillating markets, leading to profits. In summary, different forex trading strategies offer competitive advantages in various market conditions. INNOSS Tech Labs EA combines these strategies and adapts to market conditions in real time using smart algorithms, helping you gain a competitive edge in the forex market. Whether the market is trending, reversing, or oscillating, our EA provides support and recommendations for smarter and more successful trading. Thank you for reading, and we look forward to seeing you next time.